Raquel Welch has just released 3 new styles for fall 2023. This one is the one I was anticipating the most. We're going to check out Black Tie Chic and Shaded Biscuit. Please take a moment to support these free resources by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I purchased this wig style at Wig Studio One. You can find it there too. Drop below the video and expand the description box. I'll attach a direct product link. It will be labeled Raquel Welch Black Tie Chic. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site. You can see the colors and the pricing. It's all there for you to find. If you have any questions, please reach out to support at wigstudio1.com. And don't forget to visit the private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Black Tie Chic is a short to mid-length shag style cut. It's both classic and modern with all of this beautiful layering. I can honestly say the older I get, the more I can really appreciate these layers. If I can't have a little curl or wave, I really need a lot of layering. I think it's very flattering around the face. They have done this one to absolute perfection, including this cap. So what you're going to find is that that first front piece is about 4.5 inches. Really love that shorter fringe. It just starts this layer story. It scoots right over the eyebrow and my cheekbone here and kind of divides back in and around the style. Now this is right out of the box. All I did was give it a shake, apply it, make my adjustments, and then just sort of pick and fluff with my fingers to bring out the beauty of this layering. Overall, it's about 12 to 13 inches. So let's go ahead and check out this lace front. So it's a beautiful temple to temple lace front. It does extend back into the ear tab. It has some nice fine knotting. They bring the highlight right up to that lace front. And just overall, the quality is beautiful. Just everything you would expect from a Raquel Welch monofilament lace feature. Then you have a full single monofilament top. And that means you can part this wherever you like and still get the illusion of scalp all the way around there on that mono top. Now this one kind of wanted to separate through the middle, okay? And I think that is a perfect way to part this style because the fringe just kind of divides out and around the eyes and frames the face beautifully. But you can part it wherever you like, and we're going to go through some of that in the styling segment. Overall, this style just gives out some really great energy. You're going to see a soft volume here. Now, this volume is being done by the way the fibers are sewn into the cap. It gives you a little bit of lift at the root. That's going to do 2 things. It's going to give you some subtle volume all the way around, but it's also going to promote a nice swingy, natural movement. There's a very modest amount of permatease, just all the right amounts in all the right places. You're going to see the permatease all around the monofilament top, in the back, and at the nape. Now it's not overdone at all. It doesn't feel too thick or too heavy or unnecessary. Anytime you have this much layering on a style, it's going to promote a nice light feeling and a nice density. The density on this is average. It's the typical Raquel Welch feeling fiber. It's the true to life fiber. It is heat friendly. So in fact, if the wind starts blowing, just let it mess up these layers because they're going to look great the more messy that they are. I love the casual appeal of this style. I love the confidence of this style. If you like a shorter to mid-length shag style, you're going to adore this one. It has all of the beautiful cap features. It's a high quality product. If you like some of the Noriko styles that you see on the market, all of those, in fact, I think are some sort of variation of a shag cut. I think you're going to love this one. If you just want to use this as a sister style to one of the Noriko shags, you'll have your full lace and monofilament on this one, and then you'll have your grab and go, more affordable on the Noriko. So I think this type of shag style cut is really making a comeback. So it is a classic design, and I feel like it's timeless. We're always going to have some variation of the shag style, but I think that it's really hit the mainstream in the last year or so, and it's definitely a trend to watch. I love it because it's very flattering on nearly any face shape out there. I love it because of its lower density, because of the layering, and this fantastic movement. This layering, so if you just take your fingers and rake through, you're going to get that wispy, separated look. It's been a little bit point cut on the ends. That adds to the modern appeal of it and helps it move beautifully. You can see where you do have a little bit of a bump and profile right there at the crown, and then it flattens out through the back. Now that's not my favorite look. So what I like to do is just take my hands and create a little bit of lift at the crown because I don't like that flat back. I really like a nice rounded profile, but this is all up to your own personal preference. Again, this is a heat-friendly style, so you can use your heat tools to tweak this. Inside look at the cap for Raquel Welch's Black Tie Chic. Love this cap. You'll see an extended lace front. That extension goes all the way back through the ear tab. It's nicely contoured. A seam that adjoins the single monofilament top. A nice illusion of scalp no matter how you want to part it there. Open wefts on the sides and the back. A velvet ear tab. An extended felted nape with the Velcro style adjusters. This is a part of the memory cap series, lots of stretch and great comfort. I do believe this fits very much like the other Raquel Welch styles do. It's very stretchy and roomy and could accommodate up to average large circumference. This style is right out of the box. As I mentioned, I just gave it a shake, applied it, and started to work with it a little with my hands, bringing some air into the layers. It just gets wispier and wispier the more that I work with it. We're gonna play around with some of this parting. It makes an amazing ear tuck. Let's put on a classic pair of sunglasses. It fits nicely between the ear and the ear tab, and isn't it cute? All right, let's do some styling. I'm just going to manipulate this hair around so that you can see how it moves. You can get a sense of the density and how to style it. We'll see you next time right here on TAZ's Wig Closet at Wig Studio One.